Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to change default notification sound. So let us start our video. Firstly, we will click the setting icon in your Oppo mobile phone. After that, swipe up and click on the sound and vibration bar. After that, swipe up some more and click on the default notification sound option. And here you will see our old notification sound ringtone is fun, and choose the new ringtone which you want to set. Wait. I want to change my old default notification ringtone to new. After that, it's done. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.